guys, so I'm here today with my third video transitioning the same hairstyle, protective hairstyling, for the month of March. I did the same thing last year during March, February, March. I always do protective styles during these months because of the humidity, and it's kind of the reason why I don't film a lot of videos, because I don't do a lot of styling to my hair. So I wanted to make an intro, basically starting out with the hairstyle, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. It's really simple, and to me it looks really pretty. I'm using a different lens, so I'm kind of looking a little weird at the lens because it's really close. But this is my, I would say, like, it's like a bird's nest bun, like literally a bird's nest. I want it to look messy up here, but like really sleek right here. So that is a look that I was going for. No heat was used, and I will probably wear my hair like this for the rest of the weekend.